Welcome to Mama's Priceless Parties. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy gaming cake that is perfect for any gamer. For this cake, I colored my batters with the wilting icing colors Royal Blue, Kelly Green, and Violet. It's a perfect combination for gaming. I'm going to start with a marble cake that already has a crumb coat. If you need help with this, click the link in the top right corner. For the frosting colors, I use plain white icing and Wilton icing colors Royal Blue and Violet. If you need help coloring your icing, click the link in the top right corner. Now that we have our icing and our cake, let's put it together. Using the back of a small spoon, we'll take a dollop of icing and put it on the cake. Go back, get another dollop, and we're going to do that all on the top of the cake. Then we're going to move to the side of the cake. Once we're done with the white, we're going to do the same thing with the purple. And then with the blue. Once you have a whole bunch of dollops of icing on the cake, we're going to take our icing spatula and we're going to gently glide it across the cake while scraping the excess icing off. Then we're going to go to the side of the cake. We're going to have the spatula gently against it and again scrape the excess off. Now it is possible in this case I've scraped too much on that one piece, so that's okay. I just took some of the original icing that I took off, I put it back on the cake, and then I gently scrape around. Then we're going to pull the edges in, and not to worry, the cake doesn't look very good right now, but we're going to do a swoop imprint which will make it look amazing. So we're going to start from the outer side of the cake and we're going to gently press our spatula in a swooping motion into the center of the cake. Now for this cake, I did it a little bit harder because I wanted that white and the colors to come through in the swoop. Absolutely love it. Now we're just going to clean up the edges and we can add our cake topper. The link for this personalized gaming cake topper is in the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed decorating this cake with me today and that your gaming cake and party are absolutely priceless.